Okay, in 2005, there were 538 Spanish-speaking radio stations in a certain region. By 2015, this number had had increased. Come on. Okay. Had increased by 13.4%. How many Spanish-speaking radio stations were there in 2015? 2015 is the new amount because that's in the future, right? So the base amount has to be the 2005. So just like that last one, it's the percent change, which is 13.4%, but when you divide it by 100, that would be 0.134. And it equals the new amount minus the old amount. And the old amount in 2005 was 538 divided by 538. So this one's actually going to be a little easier than the last one because the last one had two unknowns. And on this one, I'll just use the letter N for new. But it does have a fraction just like the last one. So I'm going to have to multiply both sides by, if I can get this pen to work. Come on, my color does not want to work. I do not know what the problem is. Oh my. I have to multiply to get rid of that fraction. So I'm going to multiply. I don't know, it's stuck on black. I'm sorry about this. This is the second time I've done this video. I'm going to multiply both sides by 538. And that cancels out. On the right, that gets rid of the fraction, but you still have to multiply the 0.134 times 538. And that's going to give me 72.092, and that equals N minus 538. And so to get N by itself, I have to get rid of the minus 538 by adding 538. Because a negative and a positive cancel each other out. But then you have to add the 538 to the other side. And so when I do that, I get, I'm running out of room. I get 610.092 is equal to my number, and it does say round to the nearest integer. An integer is a positive or negative whole number, and so the 0 is in the whole number position. Because the next number to the right of it is a 0, this just stays as 210. And that is my final answer on number 18.